One of the major concerns of global warming is definitely environmental damage. The heating up of the atmosphere due to the discharge of greenhouse gases such as methane and carbon dioxide. Heavy waves and warmer waters and thus more hurricanes. Rising sea levels that can lead to floods in coastal regions around the world. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, on average, precipitation has increased globally over the last century, and that days with heavy rain and snow are becoming more frequent over most of the globe's land areas. The increase in temperature leads to evaporation from oceans, hence adding more moisture to the air for rain or snow. At the same time, the warming also draws in moisture out of the ground. Hence, in places where it's not raining, it can worsen droughts. Not to mention the high diseases high temperatures can bring, such as malaria. High temperature that cause the melting of ice in the polar regions, including Greenland and Antarctica, will add to sea level rise. Also, some species of animals and plants are endangered. According to the IPCC, or the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, if the global average temperature increases more than about 1.5 to 2.5 degrees Celsius, which may occur by later this century, the risk of extinction for animals and plants would be higher. As an example, salmons depend on cold water streams, hence a few change in temperature can threaten the population of this species. Also, for green sea turtles, as the temperature of the water determines the sex of the offspring, it is said that the increase in temperature can threaten the production of the male offsprings, while the habitats of penguins are threatened as well. There are evidently a lot of impacts of global warming towards the environment. Hence, we come across to the question as to what can we do now? You can start by doing the 3 R's, which stands for reduce, reuse, and recycle. Buy products with minimal packaging. Reject plastic bags when shopping. If you have some at home, reuse them. Don't just throw them away. You should also recycle paper, plastic, newspaper, glass, and aluminum cans whenever you can. Even if your community doesn't have a recycling program, start one. It is said that you can save 2,400 pounds of carbon dioxide annually if you recycle half of your household waste. So why wait?